Alright, so today we're going to talk about how to set up your web page for data reselling as a Reseller Pro user. The moment you've upgraded to a Pro account, how do you set up your web page? Okay, so now we have upgraded to our Pro plan, so we are a Reseller Pro user. So we're going to scroll down and we see that section right there, Reseller Pro settings, right? Reseller Pro settings. So click it and we're taken to this new page where we begin to enter our information. Every information that we enter here is what shows up on our web page, so it's very important that it's correct. Our short name is important because it shows us the URL that we're going to use. Then we have our tagline and then about business. I'm just going to put in some test information so that we can see it real quick. Then okay, yes, showing customers the power of a Pro account. Okay, so now our phone number, let's just put in anything there. Okay, so same thing with our social network links, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. For bank, we're going to choose our bank, right? That's GTB. Put in a valid GTB account. This is very important because if the account number does not tally, it's not going to go through, so you have to cross check that it is your account number. So we're going to choose a payment processor. Now we're going to select the picture for our banner. Now this is very important because the banner picture is what shows up on the background header of the web page, so we have to choose very nice images. Now we're going to select a color theme. This is going to be the colors of the buttons and different elements on our site, so it's very important. Ensure that it rhymes. Now we're going to update the settings. Alright, so we have that. So now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go and check out data pricing, right? And what we're going to do is to set the data prices of each plan, right? So we're allowed to set any plan that we want at all, any price you want at all for your users. The only requirement is that it has to be higher than what we offer. If it's not higher, the saving is not going to happen and it's going to give you an error message. So we're just going to put in some default values here so that we can see that the changes do reflect on our web page. Okay, so I guess let's just do that. All right, yes, that's it. Okay, so let's just save it. Let's update our data prices, and then okay, that is it. So let's go see what our personal web page looks. Remember, whatever we put in as we put test P. So test P is our store URL. So datareseller.store/test P, and we can see it. Our beautiful web page here. Users can visit it. They can click and they can order. Everything that we put about our tagline, everything shows up here. Our color theme is the color of the buttons. We can order and we can see here our logo is there in the navigation bar.